Yeah, good. You're here once again. We're taking you on ArchiCad. ArchiCad is one of the most simplest software you can use on building designs. So it's also a 3D design, a 3D software. Whatever you input in your 2D, you can view it in your 3D. Yeah. But we'll be taking you on ArchiCad 25. It's very easy to use other uh, version, but this is one of the newest version. Why we are using new versions is there are other models like doors, lights that was produced by some manufacturers that you will see and you want to use it in your drawing or you want to use it in your design. If you use other lower versions, it may not be able. And also these new models of ArchiCAD, you can render with, you can go through Lumia. It has a live stream on Lumia, so you can export your drawing to Lumia and render it there. That's the most important and why we choose to use this. So if you have an opportunity to download other, maybe a newer version, maybe 28, 29, whatever version you see, it's okay, but this basically on. So let's get started. This is our Archi, this is our, let me remove this, and this is our ArchiCAD 2020, ArchiCAD 25. You can see how it looks. So you just click on it to open it. So it is open now. So this is new. You can see it when you open your ArchiCAD for the first time. After downloading, this is what you see. If you don't see it this way, it means you did not download it well. But ArchiCAD is one of the software that you can download. It's very easy to install in your phone. So when you open it, this new, this browser, this teamwork, and this quit. This quit means you are quitting. When you click here, you are quitting. But when you click here, you are opening a new page of ArchiCAD. If you already have a work here, I think there is going to be. In this case, I haven't done anything with this ArchiCAD. I just installed it. I'm using Revit for my work anyway. I was once using ArchiCAD before I learned about Revit, and I decided Revit gives me what I also want. So, and most of the most when I started using ArchiCAD, it was uh, it's more than 12 years back, and it was the old versions. But I have decided to start using ArchiCAD, this new version. When I learned it can also use Lumia. So let's open it and see what it goes. And when you open it, you see it like this. You see ArchiCAD 25 template. Go to this drop down. You leave it to this ArchiCAD 25 template. You see this last profile use. Last profile use. There is no last profile, and we don't want to click to any of this. So you just go to default profile and you say open. So you are opening your new page. You be patient. So we have opened our new page. You can see this is a live stream for Lumia, just like Revit also have that live stream, but this a plug, you just plug it here so you can be able to access Lumia. So we have file, edit, view, design, and these are also design. These are where you can get your wall, floor, staircase, window, and all materials. This is it here, and you can also go to viewpoint. Viewpoint is where you can get your camera, and other things. Your elevation section and the rest. Then this document. Document is where you can get your dimension tools, level dimension tools, other things too are here too. So let's go to design. Then this is also your, just like a camera, just like how we have it too in Revit. Your mm, elevations camera. When you click here, you can get. So this is your workplace. Uh, then you come here. This is where you can get your elevation. You can also get 3D here. You get your elevations here and the rest, and you get your story. If you want to set your story, your level, just like Revit too, but the only thing with ArchiCAD is very easy and specific. It's very easy, and just whatever you want to edit, you click on it, double click it, or just highlight it, and it will give you the chance to edit and the rest. So we don't want to go too far for today. As we know, this is an introduction. So let's hope in the next video we'll be taking you on how to create level, units, setting your dimensions, and the rest. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will get something good from this lecture. Thank you.